Will Ahmed at Whoop. Blink if you all even still build hardware.
Oh, let's go! Will Ahmed just dropped this video reacting to the mocking they've been getting about the Whoop 5.0 been so late. People been waiting since 2022, and today I just finished the gym. Whoop just launched this video. The future is coming on May 8th, that's tomorrow. I even got a notification on my Whoop app that I should be tuning in tomorrow for a big announcement. I think it's coming. Guys, this is a big deal. I know I might seem overreacting, but the Whoop 4.0 literally changed my life. So I'm pretty excited about the 5.0. It's crazy that they've been taking so much time developing the new hardware because they've been on it developing and improving all the software. I've been getting software updates every 2 weeks or something. This product is amazing. I think the business model makes them always on their toes, because if they don't improve, we won't pay the subscription because the hardware is for free. All the business model is based on the subscription fees. So if they are not constantly improving, we wouldn't pay the subscription. I'm really excited about the future, man. It's coming tomorrow. I'm not kidding. Tell me, what do you want to see in the 5.0? Hopefully when it launches, I will drop a video. Do you expect to see a screen? Do you expect to see it smaller? Do you expect a more battery life than it is? Honestly, if I'm wishing for something, the Whoop is literally borderline perfect. Maybe a small size, little bit less thick. Think it's not thick as the watch, if you can see, but there is a room for improvement without sacrificing the battery. Even if they make the battery the same but smaller size, I need it to be like flush with the body. It would be amazing. People are raving about the screen. Personally, I don't want any screens because I love wearing my Whoop with the classy looks, with the formal attire. I don't want any screen or any smart looking device to be visible on me when I'm wearing formal, if you know what I mean. Honestly, hardware wise, I would want to see a design a little bit less thick. That's me being too nitpicky. I think the hardware is amazing as it is. Okay, leaving the aesthetics and coming to the hardware that actually matters, I think they need to add sensors to estimate blood pressure. I know it's not gonna be so accurate, but if they can develop an algorithm, they have the data to estimate the blood pressure or the blood glucose, that would be next level. And that would push the Oura Ring and the Apple Watch to do it as well. That's it actually. I don't think they are missing anything else. I think just one sensor to detect the blood pressure or the blood glucose, and maybe the GPS as well. That's it, I think. Tell me in the comments what you want to see. I will keep you posted once I hear anything, and I will definitely drop a video when it drops officially. The Whoop 5.0 is coming. Stay tuned.